Hi Jo.
Hi there.
Hello. Jo has been part of Jacqueline Bloom's 4-day workshop in Sydney, and we've had a ball, and look at the stunning results that Jo has come up with. So Jo, how have you found the last 4 days?
It's been a really amazing and enjoyable 4 days. Well, for a start, I didn't think I would come out of it with paintings that looked like this. It almost seemed impossible, although, you know, Jacqueline had said you're going to end with something amazing. I'm still surprised and shocked that we were all able to achieve such great results. And aside from that, it's just been an absolute wonderful time, and there's been some wonderful women here all together, you know, learning, chatting, sitting together, having lunch, having a great time. And of course, you know, Jacqueline is very generous in sharing with us the wealth of knowledge that she has developed over many, many, many years. So we've all been very, very lucky, and I'm sorry that it's over. But it's not over, because I'm going on. Yes, I'm going on. Exactly. So that almost seemed impossible not to do. I've had so much enjoyment out of this, and I just want to get better and better. And I know that with the way Jacqueline teaches and the materials that she has for us, that, you know, it's almost impossible if you dedicate the time and effort to not getting better and better. So I'm super excited and can't wait to get started.
So Jo, are you doing the Make Money from Art program?
Yes,
yeah.
Yes, I am.
So yes, she's joining the elect team. It'll be lovely to see you in the group too.
Thanks so much.
Thanks, darling.
Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Jo.